Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Shopify. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and from here, if you are looking to avail a Shopify subscription, then I have a link for you in the description below, which is an exclusive deal with Shopify so that you would have a discount for only $1 per month when you avail any plan here in Shopify. So once you have availed the plan, so now let's go back into the video and let's start creating a landing page on Shopify. So the first one that we would need to do is we can go here into our online store. And basically this will be the first method, which is to manually create your page or landing page here in Shopify. And the other one is basically using an app. So from here, what you want to do is you want to click on pages, and from here you want to create a page. So click on add a page. So let's say we want to go for tutorial landing page right here. So let's name this tutorial landing page. And then you can put your description right here, and you can generate a text using the AI. This page is about a landing page. Right here you can click on generate, and then it would have something for you, and then you can put it here as your content. And then from here, so let's say you want to use this just for an example, so let's just wait for it, and now click on keep, and now you would have a content right here for your page. This is just for an example right here, and then you can set the visibility. If you want the page to be visible right away, you can click on this one. And then you can go for the theme template on how you would want the page to be designed. So depending if you have a lot of template, or you can choose a specific page to copy its design or so on right here. And you can also optimize the SEO. If you'd want that, then you can edit the website SEO right here. So once you're all done, click on save. And let's say that you would want to add this page available here in your footer. So let's click and let's just close this right here. So let's say you want it here on your main menu or your footer right here. Let's say you want to see the page in either of these parts of your website. So what you can do is you can click here on navigation, and then you can see the main menu and the footer menu options right here. So depending on the menus that you'd have. So if you want to see it in the main menu, then you can click on the main menu right here and just simply add your page here. So let's say landing page right here, and then you can paste the link to your page here. So let's click on pages right here, and then you can see your tutorial landing page. You can click on that and click on add and click on save menu, and then you want to go back here, and then you now want to refresh your website, and you should be seeing it right here on your main menu, as you can see right here. So when you click on that, you should be seeing your page right here directly. So if you don't want to put it here, then you simply don't want to put it in either in main menu or footer menu, but this is basically how you can do it. So now let's say you want to edit your page now. So you want to click on online store, click on customize, and then from here you want to go to the page by clicking here. So now once you click here, you should be able to see all of the pages that is in your store. So you just want to search for the page that you have created. So if you can see it right here, what you want to do is click here on the search bar, and from here you want to type in the name of your page. So in our case, it is the tutorial or the landing page right here. So let's go for a landing. Here it is, tutorial landing page. You want to click on that, and then you will be able to see now the page that you have created right here. So this is the content that we have inserted earlier, and this is the design right here. So the design, by the way, would greatly depend on the theme that you would have, because it would adapt to the theme, the style of your theme or the design. So you would be seeing what your theme has right here. So you might see different options right here that I have compared to yours. And when you click here, you should be able to edit the contents by navigating here on the right side. This is where you'd be able to edit it. So you can add a title right here. So sample title. And then you can see it right here, and then you can add some more contents. Like for example, you want to edit this one, you can also edit the text right here, or you can make it bold. You can add a logo right here. You can select an image. Let's say you want to add a logo. Let's say this is our logo. You can click that and tap on done, and it should be added right here. So this is basically how you can do it. You just simply select the option right here that you would like to edit on your page right here. So that is basically how you can create a landing page. And yeah, that is it. So you can add some sections right here by clicking here on add content, or you can click here in between this section. So you can click there, add content, and then you can customize your content right here. Or you can also go for the footer, and then you can also edit this by clicking here and navigating here on the right side, and then you'd be able to see the editable options that you would have right here. So that is basically how you can create a landing page using the website builder of Shopify. But I have better in mind, which is by using an app, because I think that is a much better method in creating your landing pages, and it's much easier because of the templates. So in case that you would want another design aside from your theme, then this is a perfect one for you. So from here, you want to go back into your dashboard, and from here, type here in the search bar, landing page. And from here, you want to click on the search landing page in Shopify App Store. And then you will be presented a bunch of apps that would let you edit your landing page. In this case, I recommend using this app. But of course, if you don't like this, you are always welcome to use other apps. So click on this app right here. And from here, you want to install this. But since I have already installed it, I now have the open button right here. So click on open. So now from here, I am going to create my page. I'm going to click here on pages, and from here, I'm going to click on create from template. So this is what's good with an app, because you can create from template. You don't have to do much work in creating your page. So you can just choose the kind of page that you would want to create, or landing page. So let's say I'm going to go for a home page right here. So from here, you could see the home pages templates right here in this app, and then you can choose whatever you'd want that would match your store. So let's say I would want maybe this one right here. So let's say this one. So I'm going to click on select, and from here I can edit the page right here. So I can go for edit the text. I can just easily do that by double clicking on the text, and from here I'm going to edit it to tutorial page right there. And then you can also edit the button right here. Click on the button, and from here navigate here into the right side, and then from here you can see that you can change the text to learn now, maybe something like that. And then you can go for the button type. You can go for text with icon, or just icon only, or just text. And from here you can have the visibility, the attributes, and so on right here. You would have also the styling right here. So you can also go for the color of the button if you'd want to. Yeah, so I think this is much easier compared to when you are editing your store on the website builder of Shopify itself, because I think it's very limited compared to when you are using an app right here. So you can basically edit all of this, and then you can always add some more section right here. And the best thing is that you can add a section using a template. So you can click on templates, and then you can add another template right there. So let's say I want this one, so I'm going to select that, for example. So now I can see it here added into the bottom, at the bottom right here. So as you can see, here it is. It has now been added. So that is basically very easy. So it's basically the same UI when you are using the website builder here in Shopify. You can navigate here, and same thing right here. You can navigate here, and you can modify the options right here. So that is basically it. So yeah, I think it is better if you use the app right here. So once you're done building the site right here, let's say, for example, we are done. We want to click on save right here, and we're going to name our page. So tutorial landing page number 2, like that. Click on save, and now click on save again. And then once it's saved, we should now be able to publish it into our store right here. So click here on publish right here, and you can see the page title right here and the page URL. So I'm just going to publish this into our store right here. So to restore your original homepage, you can unpublish or delete your page, since we have created a homepage right here. So click on publish. And now, as you can see, I only have one slot or one free page to create here, because I only have the free plan. So click on publish here. And there it is. It is now publishing the page, and let's wait for it to finish publishing it. So once it's finished, we should be able to see it in our store. So as you can see, it's now published. So now we can try and refresh our store right here. So let's refresh, and let's go back to the home page. And then as you can see, we now have this homepage right here, or landing page, that we have created in the app. So that is basically it on how you can create landing pages in Shopify. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.